On this channel, we provide useful programming information with practical code examples. This time, we will discuss truthy and falsy in JavaScript. You can check through actual code to see in which cases something is evaluated as truthy or falsy. Enabling subtitles will make the code descriptions easier to understand. Please make use of it. The concepts of truthy and falsy in JavaScript play a very important role, especially in the evaluation of conditional statements. Truthy and falsy determine whether a value is evaluated as true, or false, but these values are not necessarily the Boolean, true or false, themselves. Falsy values refer to values that are evaluated as false in JavaScript conditionals. Below is a list of falsy values in JavaScript. In this example, all falsy values will be output as falsy. Below is a list of falsy values in JavaScript. False in Boolean type. The number 0, decimal 0.0 is also falsy. Negative 0, technically distinct from 0, but still falsy. 0 in big int type. An empty string of length 0. Null, no value present. Undefined value. Nan, not a number. These values are treated as false in logical operations and conditional statements, such as if statements. All values that are not falsy are truthy. This refers to values that are evaluated as Boolean, true. In JavaScript, many values are treated as truthy. In this code, truthy values are output as truthy. For example, the following values are truthy. True in Boolean type. Numbers other than 0, for example, 1 and -1, are also truthy. Strings non-empty, for example, hello, or even strings with only spaces are truthy. Objects, even empty objects, and arrays, are truthy. Functions themselves are also truthy. Symbol, values of type symbol, are also truthy. Infinity, both positive and negative infinity are truthy. The concepts of truthy and falsy are often used in conditionals and logical operations. For example, when setting a default value using the logical OR operator, the first truthy value is returned as the result. To check for falsy values, using the Boolean function is convenient. The Boolean function explicitly converts a given value to a Boolean type. Truthy and falsy in JavaScript are important for understanding how non-Boolean values are evaluated in conditional expressions. Falsy Values include false, 0, an empty string, null, undefined, and nan, while all other values are evaluated as truthy. Understanding these concepts enables you to write more flexible and efficient code. The source code for this video can be downloaded from the official website. If you like, please visit the URL in the description to aid your learning. Thank you for watching until the end. Please subscribe to the channel and look forward to the next video.